So it's interesting. It seems like last year we were just talking about Amazon disrupting the pharmacy business, and now it looks like they're going to try and disrupt all of healthcare. So we've got this press release this morning, JPMorgan, Berkshire Hathaway, and Amazon teaming together. We've got three titans of industry in Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, and Jamie Dimon. And the press release itself is kind of light on details, other than to say they're going to form a healthcare company that's a not-for-profit for their employees.
Well, explain, though, how long it takes to get something like this done.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of worry in the market, but Rome wasn't built in a day. So we don't really know what area of the market they're really going to target. Are they going to target insurers? Are they going to target drug costs? Are they going to target providers, doctors, and hospitals? I can imagine that there's going to be some sort of technology solution here and something, wrapped with Berkshire's expertise in insurance and maybe JPMorgan's expertise in payments and capital, but we don't know what it's going to look like and we don't know what the model is. So we're really very much in a wait and see mode right now.
So your best educated guess on the strength of the three companies and what it could be, like an app, negotiation of drug prices, what might be the best solution? Yeah,
I think it's going to be a multifaceted approach and really building on each of the three strengths that those three companies bring. So I think we're definitely going to see a technology solution from Amazon tied in with the insurance expertise that Berkshire has and the financing that JPMorgan does. What that's going to look like and how that's actually going to lower costs, I don't know, but I think that's the end goal and that's what they're trying to do.
So the reaction in the market when it comes to PBMs, and you take a look at the health insurers, is it justified?
It's a question that I think remains to be answered, but the worry is that more companies will join this consortium. So maybe it's just these three today, but now down the road maybe GM joins or some of the other bigger companies like a Walmart, something like that.
Yeah, the #1 employer.
Exactly.
In the S&P. What could it wind up doing, though, in terms of the space? I mean, they need to shake up. They don't have, in terms of maybe government oversight for drug pricing, right? It needs to be addressed. The government can't do anything about it. They're not going to touch Medicare, Medicaid, or Social Security or anything like that. So what could this do? What kind of mergers, what kind of business changes could we see?
Yeah, it's a great question, and I don't know that we have an answer. The healthcare markets are really difficult. There's a lot of regulations. There's a lot of entrenched players. I think all the companies that are, the leaders in their spaces right now are sitting there saying, well, what does this mean for me? And trying to figure out what are they going to do. And I think, as I said before, it's going to take a while to kind of shake out what they're targeting.